Okay, so now we're going to do some little holly sprigs around the skirt, and I've got some green fondant rolled out, and this is just a little plunger cutter that is has 3 little sprigs of holly. You just kind of push down, wiggle it, and then squeeze. And we'll just use, actually it should still stick to that royal icing, isn't completely dry, so it should stick. There we go. And we'll just put a few of these around, just add a little bit of decoration. Now if you don't have one of these, you could just make it with a green royal icing and a tip like 352 or a kind of a leaf tip. Looks like I just kind of smudged that, so I'll have to cover that white part up a bit. And one more. I just love that cutter. So if you don't have that, then here's a leaf tip, and you just squeeze out one side, the other, and do 3 little leaves like that for holly. Okay, then this is the red royal icing, and I'll just put the, oh, it looks like it's stuck, so take a toothpick and unstick it. 3 little balls. Little berries. And then our Christmas tree needs to have some little balls on it, so do one way up here at the top. If you had a little star cutter too, you could do a little star on top. You could even make a little cookie star if you wanted. But I didn't think of it at the time. Okay, and let's put the packages on, and then we'll paint the gold parts. So let's place one right over here where I have that smudge that I needed to cover up. So put some royal icing wherever it's going to touch. So it'll touch there, and it'll touch a little bit there. So where you can see that royal icing, take your brush and just kind of get that off. You have to dip it in a little water. That'll work. And then maybe we'll just do this one more right here. Let me just flatten that area a little bit. And that'll about do it. We don't really need those other 2, but it's always nice to have them just in case.